Hello friends, here I have Samsung Galaxy S4. The problem is this, I have bought this new glass cover from eBay. It is brand new and I have already cleaned the screen. I have taken out the old glass, which is a broken one. See if you can just see. This is the broken screen. Here. So this was the old one, the broken glass. I have already cleaned the screen, all the glue. I have removed it. Now the problem is this: when I put this like this new glass onto the screen, the touch doesn't seem to work at all, and the touch screen, it doesn't seem to respond to the touches when I put it on the glass. See if I can just show you. This is the phone. See, it should work properly. See, the touch is working perfect. This is working perfect. This is working perfect. This is working perfect. All is fine. Now okay. Now when I put the new glass over it, see, I'll just show you. Let me put it horizontal. Here I put it. I put like this. Okay. Now I have the new glass over it. Now see, the touch doesn't seem to work. The touch doesn't seem to work at all. Not even these two buttons. These are not working. I don't know what's the problem. I'm trying it from last one day, means from last 24 hours, but I've tried it many times. So I don't know what's the problem. Now let me remove it again. Okay. It has already the sticky tapes. I have already provided the double-sided. Now when I put the broken glass again, let me show you this. Okay. Now see, it works perfect. See here, it works perfect. I don't know what's the problem. So if any professional over there who knows how to work around this issue, is there some problem with the glass itself? Yeah, I will remove it later. So here it is. So please let me know if anybody has any solution to this. Thank you.